Okay.
Yes, I do.
You want to turn them on?
Yep, sure. Whoop, whoop, that's not
So
good.
that is the lights just all the way over.
Okay, let me see. Let me see outside. Ooh, they're, let's see. There's that right there. That's, and right here. Here. That. There's the back lights. And.
Right. The siren.
Wait, I'm gonna shut this because it's really loud.
It is quite loud. I'll shut mine too. So you just turn this one to the right.
Yes.
Oh, that's fine.
Yep, that one. Pull it up.
Pull the other one. Right next to it.
Oh, this one? This one?
Pull it up.
Oh, this one?
It says auto.
Oh.
Pull it up.
Oh, oh.
There you go.
We got there at 1:25.
That way it won't be too loud.
Yeah.
Yeah, just turn it to the right.
Ready?
Yeah. If you turn it a couple times, it makes a difference.
Oh, this is the horrible siren.
Turn it again.
That's the horrible siren.
That's the one you don't like.
Yeah, this is the one.
And then here you can hit this one.
And then this is the manual.
Yeah. And I want to see if, so let me do something. I don't know if this car has it, but honk the horn.
Ooh, rumbler.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It always makes the same sound.
Ooh. That is so cool.
Yeah. That's essentially all the cool, fun stuff.
So how did the rumbler work?
I don't know how.
So, we got the siren system here, and this is a video of the sirens, and we're going to leave the lights off because we're just going to do a regular air horn. And then if we have it on, we could do the air horn. And we're going to go through these tunes right now. And that, just compress it, and that's all it does. And sometimes the rumbler would work, but apparently it doesn't. But oh, you just compress it twice. That's cool. Sometimes it does, but sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why. It's weird. And when you're responding, what slide switch? One.
So one, if you just do it one, it only does the back.
And what's two?
Two is, it's some of the front, but not
the light bar.
Not everything. And then the next one is all the lights on the car.
All the lights. That's cool. go.
Did you figure out the rumble?
I don't know why if it has to sit for a bit, like.
Yeah.
works.
Yeah, then it
I
doesn't.
might have to like rest for a bit before the vibrating works. Maybe.
Yeah, you have to do that, and
Gotta explore one more time.
yeah, I got it.